In this video, we'll be showing you how to arrange a bouquet of flowers. The first step is to lay out your sheets of cellophane. Then, you're going to take greenery or some sort of foliage and place it in one of the corners. We're going to be working from the corner down to the middle, essentially stacking the flowers and the other materials on top of each other. Once you have that greenery down, you can go ahead and lay some of the smaller flowers down, and feel free to mix in some larger ones as well to give it a little bit of variety. Now, one thing you want to do is also add in some filler, whether that be baby's breath or some sort of smaller type of plant. You're going to add that to the side along with those larger flowers that you're putting in there. Basically, the pattern that we're following is going to be a little bit of greenery, some of the small flowers, some of the filler, large flowers, and basically just repeat. And feel free to take creative liberty with this, as it's your bouquet of flowers, and whatever looks best for you, then go ahead and do it. One tip that'll help the end product look a little bit better is as if you imagine that the center of the paper, the center of the cellophane sheet, is essentially sprouting out the flowers. And then these flowers are layered on top of each other, kind of going towards one specific angle or corner of the paper. Now, once you have all of your flowers and foliage assembled, the last step is to go ahead and wrap it up. So we'll start with one corner, pull it over to the side, and then we're going to kind of crease down where the stems of the plants are, then fold up that bottom edge, and then take the right side and roll it on over. And you don't want to forget a bow, as a bow is what will hold that all together, and it's essentially going to give it that kind of bursting look at the top of it, where those flowers are kind of popping out of that cellophane. So you can do whatever type of little knot or bow you'd like to do. We're just doing a simple little bow here. And then we'll trim off some of that excess ribbon just to make sure that it looks even. And now you have a beautiful bouquet ready to go. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.